In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Outlook web app. So let's dive right in and make accessing your emails a breeze. First, let's head straight to the Microsoft Outlook website. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL for Outlook, which is www.outlook.com. This takes you directly to the Outlook homepage, where you'll have access to all the features Outlook has to offer, including email and calendar management. You'll find that the interface is user-friendly and well-organized, which can help streamline your daily tasks. Next, once you're on the Outlook homepage, you will notice the Sign In button prominently located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this button will direct you to the Sign In page. Now, if you don't already have an account, you might need to click Create One to establish your new account, but assuming you do, clicking the Sign In button is your next crucial step. This straightforward method ensures that you are ready to start accessing your emails with ease. Here comes the final step, which is to enter your email address and your password. This is where you log into your account. Be sure to enter these details carefully and accurately. If you're on your personal device, you might want to check the Keep Me Signed In option. This is particularly useful if you're keen to make logging in quicker in the future, especially if you find yourself checking your emails multiple times a day. However, skip this if you're on a shared device for security reasons. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Sign In button. And there you have it, you are now successfully signed into the Outlook web app. You can now start managing your emails and scheduling your activities through their calendar feature. Accessing your emails through the Outlook web app is a straightforward process, and once you've mastered it, keeping up with personal and professional communication becomes much more efficient. Just remember, always keep your login details secure and never share them with anyone. Additionally, it's wise to use a strong, unique password for your Microsoft account to ensure your data remains safe. I hope that this tutorial made accessing the Outlook web app as smooth and easy as possible for you. With these simple steps, you can now confidently manage your Outlook account from wherever you are. If you have any questions or run into any problems, feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for joining me today, and see you in the next video.